Took her on a date. I tried to be fancy. Played her some music. My diamond be dancing. I'm probably romancing. Got out of panties. We south of Miami.
What's up, YouTube? It's your girl, Kamai, and I'm back with another video. And today I got my niece, the miracle, my nephew, DJ, and my little cousin, Lanaya. So, y'all, my mama room is in the basement, and she hate noise. So, what we gonna do is we gonna keep running back and forth until she come upstairs, and y'all gonna see her reaction. Okay. Okay, y'all. All right, come on, y'all.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Hey, female. Sit your monkey ass down while I make change out of your ass. You hear me?
Mom, I didn't do nothing.
Your female ass gonna get fucked the fuck up. Fucking with a nigga that ain't even boy. Sit your ass down, female.
Mom.
Female, sit down.
I ain't even sitting down.
I don't give a fuck what you doing. You better do something like sit the fuck down. Don't motherfucking move now. One more time. If I have to come up here and beat your ass, I can't even sleep for you motherfucker. Don't make no damn sense. Y'all think shit funny? Shit ain't funny. Fuck you mean?
That's a lot of profanity.
I said female. I ain't said no female.
I know.
It's a prank.
It's a prank, Mom.
It's gonna be pranking on you. I'm gonna prank your motherfucking ass. You keep fucking with me. You gonna be motherfucking skinny in the motherfucker. Keep your don't do me. Get your motherfucking ass on somewhere, female.
Why I'm gonna be skinny?
You find out. Fuck with me again.
Stop.
Get off me.
My own motherfucking TV and my own motherfucking domain. And you
Okay, Mama.
females keep fucking with me.
Okay, the prank over. Just tell my channel. Say hi to them.
Fuck your channel. Fuck all y'all. If y'all ain't on this pranking, fuck you too. I'm sleepy. And these motherfuckers up here run like I heard the motherfucking sheep. Fuck all y'all.
Mom, we wasn't even that loud.
Yeah, well, you was that motherfucking loud. I'm telling you, female.
It was a prank.
It was just a prank, Nana. We love
You
you.
and your females go upstairs.
It's a prank.
All right, go. Listen, how a prank work, you don't do them back to back because then people know. You know that, right? All right, y'all, this video have come to the end. Hope you comment, like, and subscribe. And turn on your post notifications so you can be notified every time I post another video. D. Say bye.
Bye. Bye. See you later.
Took her on a date. I tried to be fancy. Played her some music. My diamond be dancing. I'm probably romancing. Got out of panties.